T-Mobile home internet gateways rely on firmware updates to improve performance, security, and compatibility. A stuck update occurs when the download or installation fails, often due to unstable 5G connectivity or interruptions. If your T-Mobile home internet firmware update is stuck, start by understanding that this is a common issue, especially in areas with weaker 5G signals or during peak usage times. T-Mobile has been actively addressing these problems with over-the-air patches, but manual intervention may still be necessary. The following steps will guide you through the troubleshooting process to get your internet back up and running. Remember to be patient and follow each step carefully to avoid further complications. First, reboot the gateway. Unplug your T-Mobile gateway from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This restarts the update process and clears temporary glitches. Second, retry the update. Use the T-Mobile app or access the gateway's web interface at 192.168.12.1 to manually retry the update. Ensure your device is in an area with a strong 5G signal to prevent interruptions during the redownload. Third, perform a manual update. If automatic methods fail, download the latest firmware from tmobile.com/support/home internet onto a USB drive. Insert the USB into the gateway and initiate installation through the admin panel. This bypasses network issues but requires technical knowledge to avoid errors.